which is another celestial body in Vedic astronomy that they said existed the same size as the sun and the moon. It's also been called the black sun. And this is the ancient explanation for eclipses. They claim that Rahu eclipses the sun and the moon, not as modern day they claim that in solar eclipses the moon eclipses the sun, and in lunar eclipses they claim that the shadow of the ball Earth eclipses the moon, causing that. This one actually is provably not true, however. They say that the sun lines up with the Earth just perfectly to cast the shadow of the Earth onto the moon like 3 billiard balls in a straight line. However, many times, over 50 times in the past 500 years, it's been recorded by the Royal Astronomical Society that the sun and the moon were both visible above the horizon at the same time during an eclipse, which means they couldn't have been not even close to in a straight line. They're almost next to each other. So this explanation of the shadow of the ball Earth going onto the moon is impossible for being what the eclipse is. They also use that as a proof of the ball Earth. They say, hey, see the shadow? It's a ball. But this is impossible. So you're not seeing the shadow of the ball Earth. It's not a proof of the ball. And in fact, a better explanation is this ancient explanation of the black sun, or Rahu, which occults the sun and the moon at certain points during the phase. There's an 18-year cycle that eclipses go through, and every 18 years it repeats. So you can predict eclipses based on this geocentric flat model with Rahu, as they've been doing for thousands of years. Nowadays they claim to be predicting it based on the billiard ball, sun, moon, and Earth lining up. But as I said, this is not happening. So this is yet another lie. And this claims of seeing Nibiru or some other celestial body very well may be this translucent dark body, the black sun, since we're not told about it. Anytime we see strange phenomenon and think it could be a second sun, it very well may be this one, the black sun.